Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving video. It's been a while, and since it was demanded, I remembered to make a new one. After a really good training at the gym and a few shopping items, let's take a drive through the overcrowded Brasov at this time of the year. Right here is the mall where I go to the gym, Brasov. The gym is world class. It's really nice. The parking is free as long as you don't stay more than 3 hours. But since today is Friday, many of the people got out of the work sooner, around 2 p.m. and not to mention our dear inhabitants of Bucharest already arrived in the town. And this is why the streets are really crowded. I will also take you to see the reason, mainly the Christmas tree in the main square in Piața Sfatului. After 6 p.m. you can't find a single parking spot anywhere in the old town, and that Christmas bazaar or Christmas market is really is overcrowded. I haven't made time to go and see it, and I must admit I kind of dislike that place, although it's beautiful during this season, this crowded period of time. But hey, it all comes down to what you like. I mean, this must be the most crowded Christmas period in Brasov. Let's let this guy enter the lane. Okay. despite this bleak weather, the town is still beautiful, and also in the mountain area, winter, it's in all its glory. I mean, you can ski without a problem. There are also snow cannons, and from what I've understood, there will be one for this old town square as well. They will put a snow cannon, so all the tourists will be able to feel the Christmas spirit, no matter what weather it will be outside. So here we are on Mureșenilor Street, and in front of us we have the Black Church, and behind this whole town square we have the Christmas tree. When I will turn, we will hopefully see it a bit better. Yeah. I don't even want to know what crowd is here, or will be in about 3 hours. This wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope I'll get to show you in the future other segments of the streets and roads in my town and in the surroundings. I wish you all the best, to have a beautiful weekend ahead, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Take care wherever you are. Bye bye.